Good evening to those who listen. It's June 24th, 2019, 8:24 p.m. And I don't have anything to show you but clear skies, but, you know, slight chemtrail. Anyway, but I've been hearing these, what I think now are explosions. The first one sounded maybe like either a gunshot or some fireworks, but then the second one was even louder and seemed a little bit closer too. And the third one definitely sounded a little more like an explosion. So I'm just seeing if I can maybe catch it again, because it's happened 3 times in, I don't know, half an hour. And I mean, it's really loud. Boom. It sounds like the really big fireworks that they shoot off. And I really don't think that somebody had that here. So this is just trying to pick up that sound. Then for some reason I thought of gaslight explosions. There's a little bunny. I don't know, there's been a lot of shootings lately. So if nothing happens, I guess I'll just delete it. And you'll never see it. But in case it does happen, let's continue at least updating you on some things. Been looking at some apartments, some townhouses, and the one I looked at today, I set the appointment up so you can see this right away. So I saw it, and then she says it's not available until August 1st. But when I talked to her on the phone, she said it was available July 1st. So that was like a waste of time. And then I looked at another one, and it was pretty good. But there's another one I want to look at tomorrow morning that might be maybe the best one. Oh, there's the Cardinal. I just got done putting out the video from yesterday with the red Cardinal. And he's back, or he or she's back. I wish I could get this clearer. That's me. Well, it was fireworks. There's the smoke from it. Okay, I guess it was fireworks. I heard the little thing afterwards. It still didn't sound as loud as the last one. But it's one of those bigger ones. I would even say bigger than the M80s. Where did Cardinal go? I saw him fly down. That's the bird. That's not Cardinal though. There's a robin. I guess it's getting close to the 4th, so let's what's happening? I'm guessing that I'm just going to what the? How come I can't see it? What the heck? Okay, there's a plane. There's a plane in the sky, and it was lit up. And now there's another one below it, lit up. Why can't I see it on here? There's 2 planes, one above the other, Where did the other one go now? I see the one. How come I can't see it? Alright, let's figure out where it's at. It's right there. Boom. Should be right in here. But I don't see it on the screen. I'll keep filming because it's there. It's right above the tree. It'll be in the middle of this tree right above here. Right now. Where is it? There you are. Okay, where'd the other one go now? There was two. It actually doesn't look like a plane. I can't pick it up very well. And there were two of them. Where did the other one go? That's really weird. The other one literally just disappeared. Uh-huh. Right in the area where it should be. Okay, I don't see it. It's there. Ooh, I see a little trail now. At the end. But it looks like it's fading away, unless it's just blending with the other camps. It's barely above this treetop. There it is. And it went into the treetops. I want to know what happened to the other one. There's another one. Let's go in the opposite direction. And they're almost going to meet up and collide. There they go. Oh, they just missed each other. Are you kidding me? Aren't they?